Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Earlier this day we were arriving to Cerdanya. We wanted to have lunch, so we tried one of the few open restaurants, but it was full. The supermarket was packed and we ended up crossing the border to get to the nearest fast food place, which was only 5 minutes away.
So we came to France just for a burger.
That is true. So we are here in
La Cerdanya.
This is a place where people come a lot during the winter because it has a lot of snow. So they come here to ski, to snowboard, and it's really known for that. But now during summer we came to have a little bit of fresh air because here it's not that hot, as you can see. And there's a lot of animals. We already seen cows, horses. Before we went home, we took a detour to explore the area. We finally arrived to the house where our family was. We enjoyed the family time, took some rest and had fun. Later that day we went for a drive to see the sunset. Okay, so now we watched the sunset, we made some photos that you can see here, everywhere. And now we're going to have dinner with Du's family, and I bet the food will be great.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm joking. I was already ready to go out. We went to France. Montlouis was our first stop.
We are here in Montlouis in France, and we're gonna see now a fortress, a military fortress that is within the World Heritage by the UNESCO. Well, let's check it out. Montlouis is one of the 12 groups of fortified buildings and sites along the borders of France. They were designed by military architect Vauban during the reign of King Louis XIV. It was also where the world's first solder furnace was built, and where the French army trains elite troops.
Now we're gonna get some fresh food to prepare for lunch because we love to eat well here. Now we came to buy some cheese.